What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
Guys, got 2017 GMC Z71 lifted. Got some work done to it. Factory converters there and there. Then we cut off the third converter and put a high flow cat in. I would breathe better. Original flex pipe, original piping. Then we did 3-inch pipe all the way into a Black Widow Widowmaker. BW0013-3. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then continued it into a 3-inch tailpipe, over, down, and into a stainless steel chip. Single out the side. We'll let you guys hear it. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 17 GMC Sierra, Z71, Widowmaker. Sound as not bad. 104. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Black Widow single. Thing's got a blower. It's built. This truck is built, guys.